everyone, Merry Christmas first of all. So this is a Christmas day. First time in about 7 years Ohio has experienced snow outside on Christmas. So I have a special video for you guys. This one is insane. Let me see that. The woman's handing it over now. Let's go outside and have a little fun shot of our Mg42 in the snow with the KMCS ghillie suit. So I will be right back to you. I'm going to switch cams. I'm going to mount my run cam on this to get some footage and do it in a green ghillie suit in the snow. Guys, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed that. The run cam actually sits too high, so you guys can't actually see that footage, unfortunately. That kind of sucks. But if you guys would like to see a full review where I do get some run cam footage, make sure to leave that in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe. I got a few items that I have on the way, plus some that are on the rack that I will be doing a giveaway on at 2,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys share these videos and everything else. Happy holidays, stay safe everyone, and until next time, I will see you next week, switching it up a little bit hot.